Welcome to our full guide on creating a quiz app in Thunkable. Let's dive into what makes Thunkable such a fantastic tool for app development. First up, let's set up a new project in Thunkable. It's quick and easy, follow along. Next, we'll design our user interface, focusing on layout, buttons, and text fields to make it user-friendly. Now, let's create a data source for our quiz questions and answers. This is a crucial step for our app. We'll implement the logic that allows us to display questions and capture user responses. Let's add the functionality for scoring and providing feedback based on user answers. Adding a timer will elevate the challenge for users. Here's how to implement that. Now we'll test the quiz app functionality and go through any bugs we encounter. Finally, let's talk about how to publish your quiz app on various platforms. In conclusion, you now have a great foundation for your quiz app. Here are some next steps to consider for enhancing it further.